You can put them on.
I don't have them.
Oh, you don't need them. Here we are on the train, Grand Canyon Railroad, heading from the Grand Canyon back to Williams. Out on the back platform of this car. Oh, no sneezing, please.
Right here.
Get me in.
What am I doing? Just holding it?
Yeah. Folks. Isn't this nice? Don't you wish you were here? This is beautiful. Saw some elk back there. We went by some elk. Yes. On our trip out to Los Angeles with Judy and Dan to go to Mary Beth's wedding. Oh, the battery's getting low. I'm going to have to change the battery now. We'll get back later. Oh, here are Judy and Dan inside the train car here. So we have a nice spread of food. Maybe sitting down. We're out back outside. See if we can see the front of the train. Can't really see the front.
Lock the door.
Some outlaws there. Off they go to get the engine afloat.
Vintage cars for the canyon they call grand. Rolling up the rails, go back in time. The trip will take a while, but the folks don't seem to mind. Chugging down the track, engine full of steam, to the rhythm of the rumble, my mind begins to dream of days gone by, yesteryears, and can it be? I ask. This train is bound and destined for the trip into the past. Grand is this canyon, grand is the name, constantly changing, yet always the same. Natural wonder, a chasm of color, just one on the earth, a place like no other.
We're almost at the end of the line now, back to Williams, Arizona. The clickety-clack. And who's out here on the back platform? There's Mimi. She doesn't want it to end. Of course, yeah, you kids know Ma never wants things to end, that she likes. 2 miles to go. Uh-oh. Yeah.
Hey, folks, listen up.
Uh-oh.
This here's a robbery. You trying to hurt me?
Just from Texas.
What's happening here?
Itching for a fight.
They're from Texas. Why would you purposely try to hurt me?
Y'all give us out.
You let a battery die.
There's one of the robbers is here now.
You killed her battery.
Drive carefully on
No,
the
she-
way home, then come back and see us again real soon.
Yeah, anyway.
Thank you for writing.
in your face, we gotta die, right?
Sorry. Rest of you folks, get your paws in your pockets, your hands in your handbags. Start digging out valuables. I'll collect them like the IRS. Well, better me than them.
There you go. You can call that name.
Not a good hiding spot.
I know.
Watch how my fingers never move my hand. I'm a trained professional. Doc, you better rob that into the car.
There they are.
Watch out for this one, shoot truck.
This is a tough looking lot here.
Don't shoot, buddy. Please don't shoot.
Oh, what do we got
Don't
here?
shoot, please. That's all I'm asking.
That was on the
Think
list.
you noticed?
He didn't notice, no. He didn't notice.
That all your valuables, Bob? Yeah. Well, I want to do a good job.
Shorty.
Oh, I got an equalizer right here.
Oh, yeah.
Bigger they are, the harder they fall.
I don't care. Just don't shoot.
You gotta look down. Oh, you got good eyes. You got good eyes.
Not my first robbery.
But I don't think I don't know if you're good. Holy cow.
Is that all his valuables?
Watch that ankle.
Dump him, he's broke.
I have got some gold dollars in my luggage,
Yeah?
but if I would have had those, you would have loved that.
Trace! What? All I know is that
I'm not a certified diver, I know.
I got my.
But I'm going in.
I got her covered. No sudden movement, ma'am.
Oh. While the robbery isn't going on, I missed the freight train out there. Oh man.
That's the Burlington Northern Line.
Last car. The tunnel must be coming.